Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am so excited to talk to you about what is one of my absolute favorite products this year. This is the Neo Immersive TV Backlights by Lytmi, and you'll see them in the background right now. In just a minute, I'm going to step out of the way. We're going to focus solely on the TV, and you're going to see these amazing immersive TV backlights in action. I just want to intro it by letting you know that the first set of videos I'm going to show you are going to be graphic videos that really accentuate how perfect these lights mirror what's on the screen. And then the second set of videos will be a little bit more live action kind of videos that mimic more what you would see if you're watching a TV show or a movie with these type of immersive backlights. And these are really awesome, fully programmable and controllable. And so while I'm showing those to you and you're seeing them in action, I'll talk about some of the features, some of the things you need to know if you're considering these, and why I love them so much. But most importantly, you're going to just see how awesome they are. So I'm going to get out of the way, and let's see these guys in action. So what you're going to notice right away with these lights is just how exact they are, how they exactly mirror all the colors you're seeing, where you're seeing them are mirrored. It's like, I love to describe it like it's like your TV is made of glass, and so what's shining through on the front is also shining through on the back. And you can see how exact and how perfect it is. It perfectly replicates every color. One thing that's unique is you can see automatically that these lights go all the way around your TV, not just around the top and the sides, but also the bottom. So you've got that immersive everywhere. And if you look at the top left corner right now, you can see when it's dark, when there's no color, no light, then it mimics that with less color or no color, complete black, which a lot of these lights don't do that. When there's black on the screen, they'll show white or they'll show blue. But these lights show black with black. If there's no light, there's no light. And you'll see that even more distinctly in a couple of videos coming up. But you can see how it replicates those colors. Now, I love this. Look at this fire. It looks like the fire is literally burning, and you're seeing the reflection of flames as if there was a fire in the living room. The flames are, on the background, which is just super, super cool and really awesome. Now, one thing I definitely want you to know about these lights, this is cool. Watch how when those little things go across the side, you see it light up the side. And see where it's dark, you see dark. Look at that. I mean, it's so exact, so perfect. Where there's light, you see the light, you see the color. Where there's no light, you don't see it. Just really, really awesome. And one thing you need to know, so the brains behind this, the box, it does not support Dolby Vision. So, and I have a Dolby Vision TV, and I watch a lot of Dolby Vision content. So if you are like me and you want to do that, it does support 4K HDR, just not Dolby Vision. If you want to do that, you need to get a switch, and not just any switch, splitter switch, but a splitter, an HDMI splitter that is capable of downgrading the signal that's going to the box. And that's what I have. I have one. It's called AV Star, and so I have one HDMI pass through going to my TV, and I get Dolby Vision on that, and then the other one, it downgrades it and sends it to the box to interpret. So if you are like me and you have high-end stuff, Dolby Vision, you want to see stuff in the best visuals, you do need a switch to go with this, but they're fairly inexpensive, and as you can see, it does a great job, and I can get Dolby Vision on my TV and still get this amazingly awesome immersive backlight thing. And you can just see how exact the colors are being replicated there with the blue in the top left and then the red and the white on the other sides. It's brilliant. And these graphics really, really show that off and show you exactly how awesome it is. And then in a little bit, you're going to see more live action stuff and kind of see how this is with TVs and movies. Now, one thing to know, I have these lights on their full 100% brightness. So look at this. I love this. Where the tail of the comet goes off the screen, you see the light following it. So cool. These are 100% brightness. But maybe you're watching something and you don't want the effect to be quite as strong. You can change the brightness. You could have it be 50% or 20% if you just didn't want the effect to be as strong. Also, there are different modes. I have it on the moderate mode. There's an extreme mode where it's even more exact as far as replicating, and then there's a weak mode where it's a more mild effect. I usually keep it in the center, but you can have it either way. So between that and then also adjusting the brightness, this is a great video. This really, as you can see where the lights are, that's where you see them in the background. But yeah, you can adjust it and have the exact effect you want, how significant or insignificant you want that effect to be, which is great. Also, there are different modes. You can have solid colors. If you want solid colors, you can have solid colors on this. So you could just have a solid color background. If you're watching sports and you just want the color of your team, you can just have all purple or all blue or all orange or all red with no change at all if you want that. And there's a few different effects you can have as well. Now we're moving into the live video. So now you get the more of a feeling of what it would be like if you're watching a movie or a TV show. Again, with this, you can see how it has that blue at the top because of the blues of the skies, but down at the bottom where it's darker, there's not much background light being emitted at all because there's not much light on the screen. So it really does a great job. This is another cool fireplace one, and this one is different because instead of the fire being the entire screen, it's just in the center. So the effect you're getting from the background lights is what you would expect, where if there was a fire, not right at you, you just kind of see the flicker. So again, just it mimics every color. You can see on the left hand side here, there's that little patch of green, and you see off to the side a little patch of green. And then where the sky is really blue, you see more blue. Where it's kind of dark in the top left, it's more dark. This is great because of the way it moves. So it kind of gives you, if you're watching an action movie where things are moving, and you can see how the light would kind of change and move as the action moves. So really, really cool demo. But yeah, you do have those different modes, so you can really get exactly what you're looking for, what you want, and how you want it to be, depending on what you're watching. If you're playing a game, you're a gamer, you're playing a game, maybe you want it to be a little more drastic. If you're watching a movie, maybe you want a little bit less drastic, so you put it on weak, or you put it on moderate, but you lower the brightness down to 30% so it doesn't have as strong of an effect. But all of that is controllable, besides having a static color if you just want a single static color, just a background without being immersive. Now, I love this, because look how it perfectly reflects what you see on the screen. On the right, you see the light. On the top left, it's dark because that's what's on the screen. So that's what I love about these lights. These really bring what's happening onto the screen into the surroundings. It really makes it feel more immersive. It doesn't feel like a gimmick, like they're just kind of, sort of. It really is perfectly mirroring what's on the screen, so it just feels like an extension of the screen. Whereas some of the other ones that are out there, they don't do as good of a job of showing certain colors or of really mimicking what's going on. It kind of pulls you out of what you're watching. With these, it pulls you in because of the way that it just perfectly reflects what's happening on the screen. And that's what I love. I mean, it's just really, really awesome and does an amazing job. Again, it's called Neo, and it's by Lytmi is the company. Also, they make these for different sizes TVs. A lot of kits you see will come in one size. They make these for every size TV that's out there. So whether you have a 65-inch TV or you have a 100-inch TV, you can get a size that is right for you. So very, very cool to be able to get exactly the size you need for your TV, because it's not a one-size-fits-all. Not if you want perfect immersion, and that's what they're giving you with this. So they have sizes for every size TV. You can get the size you need, which is awesome. These they come in two strips, and one strip goes on the bottom and then up the side. The other strip goes up the side and then across the top. And the setup is really easy in the app. The app tells you exactly what to do, and they provide all the things you need to attach these to the back of your TV. They stay on really well, and then the app walks you through setting up, and then once you get it set up, you're good to go. And you can see, you get this awesome, cool, immersive experience when you're watching TV. One quirk I've noticed is a lot of times when I turn them on, the immersive part won't work unless I turn the power off and then turn the power back on the Neos. The solid color will, but for the immersive, I think it has to do with detecting the signal, and that may have to do with because it's going through a HDMI splitter. I'm not 100% sure, but I just power them off, power them back on, and then they work perfectly. And you can see, it's just, it's awesome. And now we're back to the beginning, back to those really cool graphics. That's it. You've seen by now, you've seen enough demo footage to see how awesome these are and how cool they are. Again, the Neo lights, immersive TV backlights by Lytmi. Really, really amazingly awesome product. Much, much more affordable than the Phillips Hue, and every bit as good, if not better, and also significantly better than other companies that try to use a camera to try to figure out what the colors are, which is never exact, and also can't do some colors. As you can see, these replicate every color, and they replicate exactly what's being seen on the screen, fully adjustable and customizable to how you want it to be for what you're watching as well. Just a really, really awesome product by Lytmi. Definitely a product I would highly, highly recommend. That's going to be it for this review. I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. I'll also have a link to that AV Star HDMI Splitter switch in case you need one of those for your setup. I'll have that in the description below as well. That's it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with other cool products and future videos. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.